Hello, welcome back to another episode. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. What I'm doing today is I'm just cleaning the injectors off the Iveco, so they're a bit of a mess. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to strip the ends off, nozzle off, put it in the ultrasonic cleaner, clean it up. So I've already done two. I've done these two already. Not too bad. I've got two left to do, which are these two are minging. You can see I've done them too. So let's get these cleaned. So first of all, mind the mess in the garage. It's always the same. If you watch my channel, you always know my garage is a tip. So get some gloves on. So this is injector number 3. So I'm just going to clean her up. So I've got some parts cleaner. I'll give her a clean first. Where's my cloth? And then all this little gunk here, carbon build up and that, I'm just going to get it off with a bench grinder. So, stick it there. That's it, and now we need to separate it. So what I've done is I've got an adjustable spanner in the vise. The tape is off, so that's why I've got a spanner in there as well. So I've got the flat bit in there, and then I've got my size 17 little spanner, and I'm just going to crack her off. They are very tight, like. And as you can see, there's a load of carbon just cracked off there. So, clean that out. Right, I'll turn you around so you can see this. Get out the way. That over. Right guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take this apart. And all the diesel starts leaking out when you crack the seal. Get that in there. So this part comes out. So you've got a little needle in there. So what I've been doing, there's people have been saying not to take this out, and people are taking it out, and how else are you going to clean it if you don't take it out? So I'll get the magnet. And state of that, how else do you clean it? And that's ready to get cleaned. And you've got your two little pins on either side. Just put them to one side. You've got that comes out. The other pin, and then there should be a spring and then a spacer. Take the spring out, and there's a little spacer there. I'll just clean the spring, and that's it. That's everything out. So I'll take this now, put it in the ultrasonic cleaner. So That's the Ultrasonic cleaner. It's just a cheap and nasty one. It wasn't very much money. So let that clean. Now I'm just going to take the body of the injector. I'm just going to give it a clean again. You see that start pouring out. That's it. Just going to put that on, get these threads clean here on the bench grinder. Clean off again, and that's it. That's it for that. That's all I need to do with that. So now we just have a wait for this, but straight away you can see already the colour it's gone. So it goes on for like it was about 10 minutes. The time was on for about 10 minutes. So what I'll do is I'll stick it on a couple of times, give it a stir around, and yeah, that should do it. I'll bring these back when I'm ready to take them out. Right, so that bit's done. So all I'm going to do is clean this up. Put it like that. You should be able to see.
Hello.
Hello, mate.
You alright?
Yeah. Just clean the injectors on the van. As well. That was just Paul coming round. So what I've done is to my pocket. So what I did was I cleaned it down with a parts cleaner. Make sure nothing's on it, and then feed it back in. Just want to make sure it's nice and clean. But yeah, that is loads better. That's really clean now. So now, it's just a case of putting them back together. That bit's done now. So we want our spacer to go in first. So space that. That's in. And our spring. In case it's screw off. Right, so that bit's back in, and then we've got the top. So what we're going to do is put our little pins in. So the pins go either side. Oh, and then you need them to correspond to that. There we go. And we put our top back on. Well, I'll just give that a spray out. And now back in the vise. Tighten her up. So this, just tighten it up as far as you can. That's it. That's it done. that's now ready just to chuck back in the vehicle. So any questions, leave a comment down below. If you like the video, like and subscribe. Cheers.